Hi everyone, have you ever felt excited when designing a prototype in Figma? And then, when the product is done, you realize there's a button that needs to be changed, but it's on every single page. In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step guide on how to make a component in Figma. First thing first, what is a component? In Figma, a component is a reusable design element. Imagine you have the same button used multiple times in your design. By making it a component, you can edit it once and all instances of the button will update automatically. Pretty neat, right? Now, why should we use component? Using component makes the design process more efficient and consistent. Trust me, I've used them in my project and it's a game changer. When you need to make changes, you only have to do it once, and every element using the component will update automatically. It saves so much time and effort. Alright, let's dive into creating our first component. The first thing you need to do is create a simple button. Open Figma and create a new frame. Then create a rectangle and fill it with text. You can add some color in your rectangle and make it better. Here I create a click me text. After that, make an auto layout to be precise and neat. Next, convert your element into a component. Right-click or double-tap on the selected elements and choose Create Component from the menu. Next, using our component, open the Asset panel, find your new components, and drag and drop it into your frame or artboard wherever you need it. Now, we want to edit our component. We must first find the parent's component so that they can be edited. On the right side of the panel, there are 4 dots and then press, and you'll find the parents. Any changes you make will automatically apply to all instances of that component. Super efficient, right? In Figma, you also can creating variants. It means you can create different versions of the same component. First, select the component, find the variants option in the right panel, and click the plus button to add a new variant. Then, make your changes like changing the background color or text. And that's it, you just learned how to create and use components in Figma. Components help maintain design consistency and make the process much more efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it all thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing!